Buy Qgas via the Qwallet OTC platform. Qwallet OTC platform now serves as one of the main platforms for Qgas buying and selling. Qwallet users can purchase Qgas from the Qwallet OTC platform either with QLC or USDT for now. If you are holding QLC or USDT and willing to get some Qgas in the fastest way, Qwallet OTC should be your go-to place. Go to the OTC main screen. Under Buy, there are all the open orders for purchasing Qgas. Choose one order, click on Buy. Fill in the buying amount and your QLC chain wallet to receive Qgas. Click on Pay Now. The Send To information has been filled out automatically. You need to choose a new wallet that has sufficient funds for the payment. Then confirm. Now you are all good to go. You can always go to check on your order status by checking in your order book. The icon is in the top left corner. Under Processing, when the order status changes to Successful Deal, it indicates your Qgas has arrived and the deal has been completed. Happy trading Qgas!